Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video comes out of our Wing Chun system. It is a wooden dummy interruption set to help with fluidity and free flow fighting. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Wooden dummy. You guys should all know it. For those of you who don't worry about it. We're just going to take the first few moves and we'll mix it up. So first set is 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? You all should be good with that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What I want you guys to do, the rest of you in here, you all know set 1. All right, so here's the deal. So here, and here, the first one we had done, I want you guys to interrupt. We're not going to spend a lot of time on it because I want to build on it. So from here, as soon as you touch your partner, he can swing the round punch, which you're going to go block, hit, and hit, all right? So as soon as you touch his arm, they whip the round punch, fan, pock punch, and then you're here. Next option. 1, 2, 3. Then he swings the round punch here, here, and here. All right? Come over here. So we'll do it on this side just for now. So you guys are going to touch. As soon as you touch, you can whip that round punch, fan, hit him, then work your way back. Everybody good? The other option is you touch him 1, 2, 3, and then he throws the round punch and work your way over. We had done that. We trained that all week. I want you guys to take a little bit of time, play with that. Really simple. No more than 4 minutes. Back and forth, all right? Get a partner, go have some fun.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.